friends, I'm Zishan Kadi. You are all watching Taradika. Today we are at World Trade Center, which is in Gulabaka Parade. You can see we have a very special guest with us. His name is Vijay Kalantriji, who is the chairman of this World Trade Centers Association, and he's a very global business tycoon as well. You can see over here that there is a 10th Global Economic Summit, WTCA Asia Pacific Conference, and 6th World Trade Expo, wherein people and business organizations from all over the world have participated today. We have seen today that there were many people who were giving good business presentations as well. You can see there is a classic handicrafts of Kutch, Gujarat, Jamnagar Design Center of Gujarat have participated in this event. Then there is Rajasthan Mojri Jodhpur, there is MTTC Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation. More than I think 115 business companies have participated today in World Trade Center. We'll have a short discussion with Mr. Vijay Kalantriji. Sir, welcome to Taradika channel.
Thank you.
What do you feel about the economic summit? Last time you have said that the youth of Maharashtra have a good opportunity if they want to excel in business. Today's conference, there were many speakers who have given their biggest presentations as well. What is your message to the people of Maharashtra?
This is the 10th Economic Global Summit, the 6th World Trade Expo. We have been organizing a summit to promote business globally, transfer of technology, joint ventures, and also give importance to MSME in export and manufacturing sector. So the whole idea is that how we increase our horizon. Today India is growth at 6%. That this growth is for automobile. Now with the various policies of the government, giving importance to artificial intelligence, semiconductors, investment opportunities, ease of doing business, various formulated policy to give thrust to MSME and other sectors will further do it. So India will go at 7 to 8% automatically in the next 2 to 3 years, and to achieve that 30 trillion economy by 2047. And I think this will not only include the employment, but also include our exports and also manufacturing in order for manufacturing. And MSME will be a main driver of this government's vision. Viksit Bharat we are talking about. What do you mean Viksit Bharat? We have done various things. And I think the vision of Prime Minister will come through with the policies and various trust was implemented in letter and spirit. And I hope we in World Trade Center and All India Association of Industry will play an important role in giving the government policies not only trust, but also making it more aware and also guide the entrepreneurs and the manufacturers and the startups to grow.
That was a very beautiful message given by Mr. Kalantri. Regarding this only, I have one more question for Mr. Kalantri, sir. Today, medium, small and micro enterprises, they are doing quite well in Mumbai, Maharashtra and India as well. But when it comes to loan facilities, then they face a lot of problems from the bank if they are not able to pay their installment or something. Many youth also, they are interested to start their own business venture, but financially they are not capable. So what would be your advice, and how could you help those people who want to operate in micro, small, medium enterprises, or they want to start a business or associate themselves?
Suffering from the financial and other handicaps. We have made a representation not only to RBI but also to the Government of India, and some of the representations have been considered by them in giving timely and adequate finance to small scale industries and micro and medium industries. Besides that, increasing the time limit for NPA, and also the government is considering various issues and problems faced by them in case of the tariff barrier because of the tariffs and which is coming in the way. So I think those NPA, that problem of secret, non-timely finance, because timely and adequate finance government is going to ensure. I being was a member of the Reserve Bank Standing Committee of Finance, we will see that this is done if government wants to. We will 5 trillion by 2027 and 30 trillion by 2037. Areas are concerned, it needs to be resolved, and I think government is keen to resolve, and some of the policies are already formulated to resolve.
If I ask you the top 3 businesses which are listed at this podium, among the 150 businesses, what would be the top 3 businesses which the youth should associate themselves with? If you name the just three names.
Digital economy, green and sustainable energy, and also the manufacturing sectors in textiles, pharma, and the latest is artificial intelligence.
Thank you. This was Mr. Kalantri, who has given some really good advice for the youth of Maharashtra. He has suggested that 3 industries are very much flourishing. First is the clean energy business, the second is the manufacturing and textile business, and artificial intelligence is also doing quite well in the market. And if the youth of India wants to grow in their business, or if they want to start a business, then he also helps those people who want to start micro, small, medium enterprises businesses as well, to get all the updates regarding our news channel. And what do you think about the thoughts of Mr. Kalantri? Kindly write your thoughts in the comment section to get all the updates regarding our news channel. Please do keep watching Sahara Aditya.